Welcome class to video discussion 1 regarding conflict. My name is Nick Mahoney and we'll get it started. Thanks. According to the textbook from a leadership and team building course that I took at Park, the authors say that some of the common conflict resolution techniques are to keep channels of communication open, which can help multiple parties understand each other to resolve conflict more easily. However, principled negotiation is another popular method where the Fisher and Urey's 4 principles of conflict can be focused on to resolve conflicts. The idea is to separate the people from the problem, focus on interests and not positions, invent options for mutual gains, and insist on using objective criteria. According to the Thomas Kilmann conflict mode instrument, there are 5 reactions to conflict. They are avoidance, competition, compromise, accommodation, and collaboration. Avoidance is when one party avoids conflict with another, often resulting in more conflict down the road and counterproductivity. Competition is when 2 parties strive to achieve their own goals and not the goals of the team. Compromise is not a win-win situation because one side is giving in to the other side, often resulting in a lack of meeting the values of both sides. Meanwhile, accommodation is a lose-win strategy because the accommodator sacrifices their values for the relationship itself. Finally, collaboration is the way that I try to approach conflict, which helps both sides win. I try to hear all sides out and be democratic and ensure that team members' values are voiced so everyone understands how the team will benefit from the cooperation of others on the team. When dealing with difficult people or all team members in general, it is important to acknowledge their concerns and attempt to understand them. This can help the project manager meet their needs, whether they be training, resources, or otherwise. This can also be an avenue to diffuse situations caused by difficult team members. However, keeping the lines of communication open will help this early on. Strategies to dealing with difficult people are to educate the team so they understand that stress can arise from conflict. Finally, conflict is not always negative. It can be productive if it is encouraging new solutions. However, if it is counterproductive, it should be stopped by the project lead. Finally, encouraging compromise when a team member will not compromise can be done by encouraging collaboration using the collaboration approach to conflict. Additionally, revisiting education about conflicts will help the team understand why they are stressed out due to conflict. This can help encourage compromise or collaboration for higher quality ideas.